Hi, Margaret Willingham here with Eye the Beholder Quilt Design, and I'm at Quilt Week, and we've had a great week. And I've got a little tip. I'm the hand reverse applique lady. We do machine reverse applique too, but one of the things that we don't think about is that we actually need to change our hand stitching needle. We think about needing to change our sewing machine needle, but we don't think about changing our hand stitching needle. And you can tell you need to change it when you start having to push that material through, or push that needle through your material, or as you're stitching through, the material actually starts to pull off your piece when you're appliquing or reverse appliquing, or it starts becoming a whole lot of work to do it. And you're having to grip it as you pull that needle through, and you start getting that hand and wrist fatigue. And it's a subtle little thing, but it just becomes starting to be work. And it shouldn't be. When you have that fresh needle and you put it in and you go, oh, this is easy again. It's like that needle going through butter. And so if you do yourself a favor, and every 8 hours is when you should change your hand stitching needle. And I love a good sharp needle. I like number 11 millimeters needle. My preferred brands are either by Colonial Needle or by John James. They have no burrs on them. They're golden glide treatment on them, and they're awesome hand stitching needles, so they're fabulous. But do yourself a favor and change your hand stitching needles. So again, Margaret Willingham, Eye the Beholder Quilt Design at Quilt Week, and we're having an awesome time here. So thanks for joining me. Have a great time hand stitching. Thanks. Bye-bye.